Welcome, my dear students, to my online class. Today, I will take a class for class 9 and 10. Today, I will take a class on transformation or changing sentences. Okay. The changing sentences today I will discuss on simple, complex, and compound. There are three types of sentence in structure. They are simple, complex, and compound. Simple sentence, for your better understanding, I want to say in Bangla, simple sentence, সরল বাক্য. Okay, সরল বাক্য, and complex sentence, জটিল বাক্য, and compound sentence, যৌগিক
আমানুল্লাহ খান দেখাতে দাও না রে
simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Have you heard?
ডাউন করো
শোনা যাচ্ছে? আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? হ্যালো, আমাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে?
স্যার
Okay. Simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Okay. When we will get one subject and one finite verb, then it is called simple sentence. And complex sentence, when we will get two subject and two finite verb, then it is called complex sentence. And compound sentence, when two or more than sentence will add with some conjunction like and, but, or, and so on, then it is called compound sentence. For your better understanding, I want to discuss today how we will change the sentence from simple to complex and complex to compound. Okay. For your better understanding, I want to divide three steps of simple, complex, and compound sentence. Our first step is okay, step 1. Simple, complex, and compound. Now I will write on the board some instructions for first step. How we will change simple, complex, and compound. Okay. Our first instruction, our first rule is bar. You can note down. Okay. You may face some problem for washing the board. So you will take your exercise board and write down or note down it. Okay. Bar plus ing. Then subject verb. If we get the simple sentence, here verb plus ing is a subordinate clause and subject verb, it is a principal clause. Okay. If the simple sentence start with subordinate clause and principal clause, then we will take here when, since, as. After that we will take a subject, then verb. Subject, verb. In complex sentence, we will take and. We will take and. Our second rule is in spite of or despite. Subject, verb. Then we will take here though, although. After that, a subject, verb. Subject, verb. In compound sentence, we will take here but. Third rule is because of. Subject, verb. Then we will take here as. Then subject, verb. Subject, verb. Here we will also take and. Okay, my dear student, already I have written here three rules of simple, complex, and compound. How we will change from simple to complex and complex to compound, or how we will change compound to simple or compound to complex. Now I will write another three rules. Okay. Rule 4. If the simple sentence is by plus ing, sorry, by plus ভার্বের সাথে ing, then subject verb. We will take here if, then subject verb. Subject verb. In compound sentence, we will start with verb and then we'll take here and. this sentence will be affirmative. Okay. Rule 5, without plus ভার্বের সাথে ing, then subject verb. We'll take here if plus subject plus verb. Subject plus verb. And this sentence will be negative. Compound will start with verb and we will take here or. Rule 6 is preposition plus time. Then subject verb. Then we will take here when, subject verb. Subject verb. In compound we will take and. Okay, my dear student, please listen to me very carefully, okay, and note down the rules. Here already I have written 6 rules or structure for simple, complex and compound. How we will change these sentences, okay. It is our first step because in these 6 rules we have 2 steps of simple sentence, 2 types of 2 parts of simple sentence. One is subordinate clause and another is principal clause. Subordinate clause and principal clause. Subordinate clause and principal clause. Okay, when we will get the simple sentence with subordinate clause and then principal clause, then we will follow these 6 rules. When we will get verb plus ing, here verb plus ing means it may be main verb with ing, be verb with ing, have verb with ing. Like finishing is what he went out. The simple sentence is finishing his work, he went out. The simple sentence is started with verb plus ing. Then we will take here when. After when we will take a subject. We will take the subject from principal clause. When he. After that we will take a verb. Here the verb is past form in principal clause. So we will take a verb of past form. Finish. Then we will take finished. When he finished his work, then he went out. Okay. When he finished his work, he went out. Now we will change it in compound sentence. He finished his work and went out. When we will get the subject in our subordinate clause and principal clause are same, then we will not take the subject after and. Okay. When we will get the sentence subordinate clause in a simple sentence in spite of or despite, after that a principal clause like in spite of his recess, he is unhappy. In spite of his recess, he is unhappy. Now we will change it in complex sentence. Though he is rich, he is unhappy. Though he is rich, he is unhappy. We will here get noun, then we will change it in adjective. Okay. When we will get here like recess, rich, poverty, poor, illness, ill, like this. Okay. Now we will change it in a compound sentence. When we will get the simple sentence, we will start in spite of or despite and complex sentence though although. Then we will take here but. He is rich, but he is unhappy. He is rich, but he is unhappy. Or he is rich, but unhappy. We can write the two words. Okay. Now we will see the structure 3. If we get the simple sentence, it is started with because of, like because of his illness, he could not go to school. Because of his illness, he could not go to school. Now we will change it in a complex sentence as he was ill, he could not go to school. Okay. Here illness is one of the reason, so we have taken here as, and we will change it in a compound sentence. We will take here and. He was ill and could not go to. Do you have any question? Anybody? Do you have any question who are connected? Do you have any question who are connected with me? Already I have discussed here 3 rules of simple, complex and compound. Now I will discuss another 3 rules of our first step. Okay. By plus the simple, if the simple sentence is started with by plus ভার্বের সাথে ing, like by working hard you can shine in life. If the simple sentence is started with by plus verb এর সাথে ing, then we will take here if you work hard, you can shine in light. The sentence of if or subordinate clause must be affirmative. Now we will change it into compound sentence. The compound sentence will start with verb. Work hard and you will shine in light. If the sentence is started or rule 5 or structure 5 without plus verb এর সাথে ing, without working hard, we cannot shine in light. If the simple sentence is started with without plus verb এর সাথে ing, then we will take here firstly if, okay, then subject. If we do not, the subordinate clause will be negative. If we do not work hard, we cannot shine in light. And compound sentence will be work hard or we cannot shine in light. And rule 6 is if the simple sentence is started with preposition plus time, like in, the summer season, we usually feel hot. Okay. Now we will take here when. When it is the summer season, we usually feel hot. Okay. And the compound sentence will be it is the summer season and we usually feel hot. Or you may also write we usually feel hot and it is summer season. Okay. We can also get preposition plus time. In our sentence, like we walk in the morning. Then we can also write we walk when it is morning. preposition plus time may also the last part of a sentence. Okay. We can also write here in a compound sentence. We walk. It is morning and we walk. We walk and it is morning. Now, already I have here written the first step of simple, complex and compound sentence and 6 rules. Our second step, now I will start our second step. For your better understanding, I have divided the discussion into 3 steps. Okay.